Howdy, neighbors. This is the first evening in a long time that I've noticed color of any sort, so I figured I better come out here and show you some color. That way I can get more than a 1-minute video up. I did, what are they? Chicken fingers, I guess. In the solar oven, you know. Took me all of about, I don't know, half a minute or so, a minute to put them in the oven and then take them back out. Huh. Warm out, I don't know, 80 something maybe, still could be 90 for all I know, breeze. And it was definitely more humid today. I've got sweat on my head right now. Guy over next door to me gave me a bunch of stuff. The owner of the rig died 3 or 4 days ago over in San Diego, and his brother was here today. And that's some of the stuff. The pile closest to the pole right there is just going to go over into the dumpster, it looks like. And the stuff that I ended up with was wires and things like that. But I also got a new 12-volt lithium battery. And, oh, well, they're stacked up back there. Looks like wood, but those are boxes of solar panels. His brother didn't want them. He said, "Nah, go ahead, take them. They're yours." So I ended up with 10 100-watt solar panels. Yep. And they'll fit on the roof of this thing beautifully. Let's see what we got here. Yep. 100 watt, 24 volt. Cool. 4.93 amps, short circuit, 5.5 amps, so you get 4 to 5 amps out of them, so I got another 400 or 500 amps worth of solar. Ooh, more color. So yeah, that turned out, I mean, it's a sad way to get stuff, but that's what happened to me today. Yeah, it's getting more color, huh? So, the guy that was here, he's been gone a month and a half. He died. And now this guy's gone. So, I texted Jerry today and was chatting with him, and then I told him what happened, and he goes, "Hey, Dan, let me ask you something." I went, "Yeah." He goes, "How you feeling?" But they both had heart problems. The one was 65, the one that died the other day was 59. Boy, that's some pretty good looking color, huh? I've been missing the colorful sunsets and sunrises, but we haven't had many clouds. I mean, it's dry as a popcorn fart out here, usually. Oh, there goes one of that's Circle K. They got a big red circle of lights around the back end of their tanker trucks. Alright, well, I'll go ahead and add the clip of the, what was it? Chicken fingers here at the end. Alright. Y'all have a good evening. Here, let me zoom in. Get some color, real color on the zooms, huh? Thing is, it won't last long. But when it's here, it's beautiful. It's like a painting. Well, hope you enjoyed that. Later. Okay. Howdy, neighbors. Sorry for the fan noise. But this is going to be my quote-unquote snack lunch, whatever, today. Throw it in the oven. Maybe 20 minutes, I'll be snacking on them. I'll be back. Okay. 20 minutes later. And I'm using tartar sauce and cocktail sauce for dippers. Not a bad snack for lunch. I also have a half of a, what do you call it? Cantaloupe. Oh yeah. I gotta refill that. Surprise, surprise. Alright, hope you enjoyed lunch.